Hi, good evening. As you know, maybe you can remember, my name is Juan Lozano. This is the step number 4, as you can see, and this is when we try to perform the POA assessment. So the main topic is to talk about is to give some answers about some questions. So the first one is say yes. Sure, you have to say yes and try to give you the best attitude to the students. So, sorry, I was kidding. So, let's start. So, how would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? Alright, so I think that the video teaching uses technology to transmit audio and video signals to deliver course content from one location to students who are cycling in another location. Which means this like, so let's say I'm here in Picolito and one of my students are on Timana. Let's say this is my example. So I can try to create a Skype video call so they can learn. I can use my tools like this. I am recording my screen, so later you can see this video on YouTube. And this is one of the tools that we can use when we are trying to break this system and try to create a good environment in this face-to-face space where we can share our experience and we can give our knowledge to those students. All right. So then we have, what language skill would you practice by using this tool in face-to-face classes, and how would you do it? All right. So I say I would use the listening and reading skills. Okay, why? So I think because like right now you're listening to me, you are using your ears, your eyes are focused on the screen, and you can realize or you can try to catch some words that I'm saying to you. So this is the first skill, and then as you can see, I wrote some sentence, some things, some paragraphs on the slides. So you are focusing on two skills. The first one is listening, and the second one is reading, because you are listening and reading at the same time. So then we have I am naming 3 advantage and 3 disadvantage of using videos in face-to-face environments. So first, I would like to talk about the advantage. So the first one is increases student engagement and motivation. So we are trying to give that motivation, try to keep it working, and we also provide the current information and a wider access. So, and also we need to support with those collaboration skills, because we need to give the hand, try to handle all those things, so our students will feel that they are not alone learning, and they won't feel they are doing something without this company, without the teacher's company. And then we have the disadvantage. I think when we play the video can use a lot of bandwidth and may take time to load. So sometimes, and depends when we are using YouTube, Vimeo, and those places where we can see videos. So sometimes we have some trouble. So this, for me, is one disadvantage. And the second one is the video could be a distraction, and the structure of the video is not aligned to what needs to be taught. So what means this? If we just focus on the screen, maybe this can create a distraction to the students, and maybe they are not really putting the attention, they are not really paying attention about what we are trying to say to them. And then, and this is the final disadvantage, it is hard and time consuming to find quality videos. Sometimes we don't find the right resource, the right videos to our students. So I think we sometimes need to be resourceful and try to focus in those really needed about our students. So this is my last answer. Okay, so I hope you really have enjoyed this video. How you really think this is very good for this course. So thank you so much for your attention. So have a good night, and remember, this is me, David. So have a good night. Bye bye.